What's up, everybody? Arty84 here, Wicked Explorers, Arty.com, and we are at the Economy Lot here at Boston Logan Airport. It is 4:15 in the morning on a Saturday. And what are we doing here? Thought you're not going away for a big trip for another week. Well, we're not. We're going down to Florida for 36 hours. Yes, that's right, 36 hours and 4 miles. We are going down, and we land around 10:30 this morning, and I will be leaving at 8 o'clock tomorrow night, so about 34 hours or so. So a bunch of stuff we're going to do. We're going to go to the airport, go to the Delta Lounge. We're going to see my grandmother. We're going to see a Red Sox game. We're going to check out the beach, see what they've built down there since the hurricane. And it's also the 20th anniversary of Spring Break 2004. So there's a few spots we're going to hit. I'm going to take some pictures, see what it looked like then, see what it looks like now. And we're going to end the night, hopefully tonight, at Mona Lisa's Pizza Place. So I got a nice slice of greasy pizza, and we can watch some basketball. So that's the objective of the night. We'll see how this goes. Follow me. Here we go. What's up, everybody? We are landed. We are at the airport, and now I gotta find my car. It might have been everyone on that flight's first time ever getting on an airplane. And my biggest pet peeve, as everyone knows who watches this channel, is getting up and trying to cut everyone in line when you're in the back of the plane. Like, where are you going? You know what I mean? And everyone was there, up everyone, pushing through. I'm like, come on, guys. But, all right, compact, there we go. I got the smallest car possible. I'm literally going to the hotel, see my grandmother, going out to the old stadium, back, Uber and everywhere else. So I didn't really even need a car, if I didn't even think I needed a car, but here we are. So, first stop, getting to the hotel. Second stop, go see my grandmother. And then we're gonna try to squeeze in a Red Sox game tonight and see how that goes. Alright, that very well could be one of the most dangerous vehicles that I've ever driven in before on the highway. That thing was literally like driving a golf cart. It's a Mitsubishi, some kind of new version. It has 33 miles on it, so it's fairly new. But alright, so first stop of the 20-year anniversary of Spring Breaks. I wanted to go to where the Red Sox originally played, City of Palms. Alright, here we are, City of Palms Park. Now, this was the Red Sox spring training facility from the early 90s until I think it was 2012. They moved over to JetBlue Park near this completely opposite side of town. Now, I've been here multiple times. We came here on Spring Break 2004 and Spring Break 2005 and Spring Break 2006, I believe. I also was here during 1995 spring training, which happened in April because of the strike. And they finally finished the strike and they were able to spring train. So it's now being used by Florida Southwest University. So we're gonna walk around real quick, check it out. I haven't been here in years, so let's see what it looks like. From riding around, it almost looks the same. So. What's the score?
Yeah, it's all it does is 2 points.
Who?
You read it. Duke?
This is where the Red Sox play.
26 points. Jesus Christ.
How's that roof?
TWE, quite interesting.
What's going on here, Anthony? Keys?
I'm not sure. I think I might have just handed it out. No. Oh, it's a church. Hey, did you bring your tickets?
Yeah,
right.
in my pocket.
I wouldn't put it past you if I forgot the fucking things.
No. And again, on the phone.
That's right. I'm not even going to know what you're saying.
back in the day when I used to go to spring training games, they were literally just giving tickets out. You get them for like $10. I think I have a ticket for tomorrow's game costing $40. It's kind of crazy, but they built this area up. I think the skate center was already here before, but building some other buildings over here. I think the college is kind of slowly taking us over, but here's some of the practice fields behind me. Looks like they're getting ready to plant some new shrubs. There's one of the practice fields right there. There's a couple over there. I'm gonna walk down this road right here. This is the main drag right here, where you would pull up. This would be all blocked up in game day. There would be a parking lot right there where I just parked in, and there's a giant field right over there is where you also park. They'll let you park right on the grass. And everyone in the neighborhood let you park on their lawn, which is pretty cool. They just charge you like $10 to park there. It worked out. Now, since it's a college facility, I was hoping I could get in there. Maybe we'd be open for practice or something like that, but we'll see. I'm not too sure. We'll see what we can do. As you can see, still says City of Palms right there. This ticket windows right here. We'd go up and grab the tickets. And remember, this would be all types of activity on this road on spring training game day for many, many, many years. And I'm thinking back, I definitely went to games here, and so I was always between the Twin Stadium and this stadium when the Red Sox played. But I definitely came here, I believe in 2009 I was here. It might have been the last time I was at the stadium was 2009. I think I see my other games away, but I'm not sure. Here it is, right there, right behind me, City of Palms Park. Now you see the Florida Southwest symbols. I wonder if they still use this park actually. I don't know. If anyone knows, leave the comments below, because it looks like they ripped down their symbols that are on there. This is the main gate right here. This is where our security would be right here. Bathroom. I'll put some pictures from when I was at this park many years ago. I don't have any video though, because it's before my video taking time, but if I can get my phone in here a little bit. This is where all they would have, like, actually I bought funny enough, there's a store right there on the left. That was the store for the pro shop. I bought an awesome Red Sox jacket there. It was like $100 something jacket. I got it for like 60% off. It was an old winter jacket. It's great. I still wear it to this day. But I bought it here in 2009. And it's a great jacket. I've been wearing it all the time. But yeah, this is where the facilities were. It's a very basic park. It's nice for what it is.
That's the school for the Southwest.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, JetBlue's not a bad park. It's they did a good job of that one.
We got Green Monster, and we got that seats that jump in the
Sucks. So it's like, if you get it, we get in like an hour and a half early, so we can go for batting practice and stuff. So they let us up on the Monster to kind of do some stuff, catch some balls and everything.
I took my wife for my birthday. We were in Boston, just happened to be in Boston. And
It's like it's.
we were talking about how maybe
How everybody does the major league park. How about just doing the minor league park?
So funny we're here. So I'm down here looking at the park. I ran into two other guys, one from Boston, the other one from Idaho, but they're Boston Red Sox fans. And he goes, "Hey, want to try to get into the park?" I go, "All right." So we went to walked around the stadium. There was a maintenance guy there. We thought maybe we could get in there, peek. But we were able to get into the back center field area. And, well, I got some, that's the video you just seen there. I was peeking out through basically the batter's eye in center field. So the field has seen better days, but it is cool. It's still here. And I was talking to the guys, and basically they were saying is one lives down here full time. That it's a conflict between the county and the city. They're not sure who wants to take over the stadium. Florida Southwest does not play there anymore. They don't really use it for anything. It's kind of just wasting away. It needs to be very modernized for another team to want to come down here. If all these new stadiums they're building, it's really unlikely they would. Even if they ripped it down, there's nowhere to park down here. It's very inaccessible to get to. And it's a product of its time. It's no longer feasible to even have a stadium down here, or to even renovate this and make it something else, because it's a shame too, because it's still in fairly good condition. Not much has changed since late 80s, early 90s. I was wrong. I said 91 was the first season down here, which makes sense when they moved up from Winter Haven. But this is it. It's still here. If you're in the Fort Myers area, come down here, check it out. Come down during the day though, because it gets a little seedy here at night. But and see this park before it's gone. And it's just you know, a stadium to be remembered. Back in the little golf cart here. So I think my next move is I'm gonna head to the hotel and check in and go see my grandmother. It is like, I forget what time it is now. It's like 12 something. So we'll be there at 1:30. So it'll take me 2 seconds. It's on the way, and we'll do that. I'm a little concerned though. I gotta get there at the right time because I'm gonna hit some traffic. I think because I think there's a Twins game this afternoon. Could be wrong though. Oh no, maybe not, because they're playing the Twins tonight at JetBlue, so maybe I'll luck out and there won't be any traffic. We'll see. All right, next stop, hotel. Let's check that out.